Welcome back guys, we haven't done a Lumafusion tutorial in a while and this one's going to be a really cool one. We're doing a super cool frosted glass text effect like this. And as a bonus, we're even going to zoom through the text. Let's do it. So here we are in Lumafusion and I'm using this cool time lapse that I shot off the balcony here, that's the Arc de Triomphe, because this effect looks great with a dark background. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go down to the little plus symbol here, tap that and choose overlay title. Drag that along and stretch it to the size of the clip, and now we're going to double tap on that. We're going to choose text, and then we're going to go up to the little plus symbol here and we're going to create a shape. And make that shape bigger than the screen, like so. And then we're going to bring the opacity down probably about halfway. Then we're going to go up to your text here, double tap the text. I'm going to type in, let's type overlay text. When we're done, we're going to hit done down at the bottom here. Then we're going to change the font. Let's choose a nice chunky font. There we go. And then we're going to resize that so it's really big. Something else we can do is reduce the line spacing there so it looks cooler. Okay, now we're going to change the colour to green. You can probably see where this is going. We're going to tap on this little symbol here to open up colour and effects, go up to the key symbol and choose the green screen key. Now you'll see that the text has actually turned to red, so what we need to do is bring up that saturation range right to the top, and then we want to bring the edge blur radius right the way down so we've got some nice sharp edges. Okay, so that plays back like this. So now to zoom through the text, we're going to double tap on that layer again. This time we're going to go down to frame and fit. Move the slider to the beginning and tap the little plus to add a keyframe. And then move the slider along to where we want the zoom in to be complete. And then we're just going to use our fingers on the screen to zoom right into that text like this. And you'll notice Lumafusion automatically adds another keyframe for us. So back to the main timeline, and the end result looks like this. That's it, thanks for watching guys. See you next time.